Users consists of people from your organization that are involved in the procurement process. This includes your procurement executives, head of departments, finance managers, and your CFO or CEO. Users are registered by the administrator. Any number of users can be registered, but at any given time, the number of active users cannot exceed the user limit in the buyer subscription plan. Each user has to be assigned with a user role. We have created 9 default user roles with assigned access rights. For example, PR creators are allowed to create purchase requisitions, while buyer users have access to the events but are not allowed to create events. In addition to these, custom user roles with different access rights can be created and assigned. Start involving any other people in your system by creating a user account for them. This is done by navigating to the User Account section of the settings. Register a login email that will be used by the individual users to access the system. This login email ID is non-editable. State the user's name. Create a password that has uppercase and lowercase alphabets, numerals, and symbols. Users will be prompted to change their password the first time they log in. The communication email would be the main correspondence email for the user. It can be different from the login email. The designation of the user is based on his or her job role or title. Include their office or mobile contact number. User's role can be selected from the list in the system. We will explain how to create custom user roles shortly. For now, let us select one of the 9 default roles in Procurehere. Buyers that have subscribed to a certain number of users can activate and deactivate their users based on their user limit. Administrators can lock a user account by clicking this. Locking users will be notified that their account is locked when trying to log in. Scroll down to the option of assigning templates to users. This allows you to assign RFX templates to a particular user. RFX templates are created by the administrator with predetermined event settings and fields. This serves as a control feature for the administrator while speeding up the event creation process for the user. This allows you to assign purchase requisition templates to specific users. Click Create. As mentioned, advanced administrators may want to create new user roles, assigning unique access rights to it. To do this, navigate to the User Roles section of the settings. Administrators can edit user roles by clicking the Edit icon. They can also delete unwanted user roles by clicking the Delete icon, or they can choose to inactivate it by editing the role. They can also create a brand new user role in the system. Creating a new user role starts with choosing a clear role name that denotes its function and description. Ensure that these are easily relatable and understandable when you are creating the users. In this instance, we will create a PR creator. Enter a description of the role for your reference. Choose Active Status if you want to use this user role now. Stroll through the user access rights and select rights that you would like to assign to the user. In this case, we will select View List Rights in the Supplier section and create PR rights in the Create Event section. Click Create. You now have a new custom user role to assign to users.